the best pro talent compete. Style and Color Trophy.
Okay, guys, you have to brief me about this competition because I am not a hair pro. Is it that important?
It's the most important competition in the world. Like, it gives you such an amazing opportunity to showcase your work, to showcase new technique, and also to find out what's the hair trends and new style. It's really a fun show.
It's a huge opportunity for any hairdresser to not only become well-known and recognized, but how exciting and inspiring to be amongst the best of the best.
Do you have to be a young hairdresser to compete?
No, anyone can compete. So last year we had over 2,000 entries from 35 different countries.
And this year is going digital. Every hairdresser in the world, which is about like 7 million, can participate, and everyone in the world can vote.
That's what's really exciting about having it on this new digital platform, is that instead of it just being about hairdressers that are in the community, it's really about opening it up to the world.
When you are a competitor, what can make the difference?
The difference is really about having a cohesive story that's told with the entire look, from the hair, the makeup, the cut, to the style.
And it also gives the opportunity to a hairdresser to do, like you wouldn't be able to do on a shoot, for example, when you work for any magazine. They give the opportunity to do a full-on art direction and give all your love in a project.
Okay, guys, stop talking.
What?
I have a huge surprise for you. Are you ready?
Yeah?
Envelope.
Oh.
Open it, open it, open it.
Awesome. Okay.
That's so good.
Can I read
Can
it?
you read it for me, please?
We're very honored
To announce that you've been chosen
to be part of the jury for the grand final of Style and Color Trophy.
I'm so happy
This is
for you.
great.
That's
Charlie.
so cool.
But now it's your turn, darling.
I have an envelope for me.
Drum roll.
Quick, quick, it's gonna destruct itself.
I'm with you guys. It's the first time of my whole life I am part of a jury.
How do you feel about it?
I feel so proud.
You're really gonna bring a different eye to the competition.
I
so.
hope. Min, you have to give me a few advice, because it's a premiere for me, so.
Well, I think you're gonna be fine because you just have to be honest and use
Yeah.
your eye and make decisions. So
Okay, I can do it.
You got this.
Oh, I'm so
You got
happy.
this, you got
That's
this.
cool.
Style and Color Trophy.
Join us next time for Style and Color Trophy, and now it's time to subscribe.